for the hills, the Bush Hills.
We're at the Pierce Lakes Art Center in Okoboji, Iowa. Tonight we have Juan Kim with his show called Summer Breeze, opening in our Goodnoe Gallery. This was a really fun phone call I had in my office one day from one of his family members saying that he visited once in a while, that he was an artist, and kind of touched on that he was a chef as well. And the conversation kind of generally led to, we have a kitchen, we have a gallery, and can we get him here for both things? And we were thrilled when he said he would, and that he would create a show and also teach a class.
I was introduced to this area because of Kendall and family, obviously, but it's always been fun. It's always a good time here. She came dressed for an art show. She's the only one. Yeah.
Wow. Shots fired.
With the graffiti art, I knew that was something we hadn't featured here in our galleries, and that it would bring some different life to the art center that we hadn't featured before in the setting like we have.
This is my Aunt Julie. She really likes the black and green, the lightning bug one over there, yeah. It's her favorite.
What do you like about it?
I just like it. I like the colors, I like the shades, and I like the confusion.
What's your favorite one?
Probably the lightning bug one.
Lightning bug? What do you like about it?
How it stands out, how it glows compared to all the other ones.
What up? It's Juan. We're at Lake Okoboji. We're here for my solo show called Summer Breeze. This is Gus. This is Optimus Prime. We chillin'. We did the damn thing. The solo show's over. It was a great turnout. It was a great reception. We're in the middle of West Iowa, and these two are killing the game right now. Got two wieners in hand, and we're ready to go hit the town and eat some weird oysters and drink some local beers and get ready for Sunday, because we're gonna cook, not with these guys, but night's still young and we're pretty hungry. I rented a white family to party with this weekend. We're about to go ride this boat.
Only got 400 horses.
You only got 400 horses?
That's bullshit.
I know.
Uh-oh.
Wilding on the boat.
You liking the sparkle still?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing?
My favorite thing is sparkles and the rest of my family.
Oh, and her family.
And my cousins.
That's cute. That's a great answer.
I'm taste testing everyone, make sure they're not poisoned. Woo! Still blazing hot. We're over here at Crafty's Meat Market. We're picking up my final supply for the cooking demo on Sunday. We got all of our proteins here. They specialize in all kinds of cuts, all kinds of different proteins, and they're local, and everything looks fantastic inside. And I'm gonna stop saying "and" because I just had like 80 ounces of really terrible coffee, and now I got the residual caffeine in me, but none of the beneficial parts of the caffeine. Now I'm just feel like I have to constantly shit my pants. So we're gonna go into a place, Crafty's here. And then let's go. Look at that tomahawk. Look at that flank. The Denver cut. Look at the Wagyu strips. I mean, this shit is incredible.
My name's Nate Kraft. My wife and I own the business here, Crafty's Meat Market.
So you want to tell us a little history of Crafties and how it came to be here?
I've been dealing with meat ever since I've been 18 years old, and we.
You just turned 21, so it's only been 3 years.
Oh shoot!
Yeah.
No. Anyway, back when COVID hit, saw the people coming from the big cities down to small towns, away from all the big, big cities. A lot of people. People were spending money left and right. It was just time for me to open up our own meat shop. My wife thought I was nuts, but here we are. This is our 3rd summer. I can't thank people of the lakes area, all the visitors and everything. The support has been huge. We keep on adding more and more products to our store all the time. We've always got something new, always.
Who comes up with the combinations for your brats here? I noticed that, so there's a Reuben brat, there's a jalapeno cheddar brat, hopper brat, and then there's also a gummy bear brat. How did that come to be?
I am the mastermind behind those brats.
So why the gummy bear?
Gummy bear, it's odd. You would think that you don't really want to have, don't really want to try it. The kids, they see gummy bears, let's try it out. And I don't know, that's actually one of my top sellers.
So it works?
It works.
Okay. Why is it important for a shop like yours to exist in a community like this?
A lot of different products we bring to the area. We offer that small town feel. You're greeted when you walk in the door. Can't find what you're looking for, I'll do my darndest to get it here.
So it's a one-stop shop essentially
yeah.
for everything and anything you'll need to have, like anything from a snack to a meal to a day out on the boat and everything.
Yep. Also, when I pick out steaks for the clients, I look for the most marbling that we can find in a steak. That's where the flavor's at.
Look at that thing. It almost looks like a prime cut. It's insane. It's beautiful. Anything with a handle.
There you go.
So we're picking up our short ribs here for the demo. We got pork. We got the pork and the chicken thighs from here as well. We're gonna give it the Kimski treatment and then just kind of, yes, look at that box. And then just kind of go from there and then see, you'll be able to taste the quality for sure.
They're pros, yeah.
Whoa, yeah. That's pretty. Yeah, these are nice. I never had it this thin before.
The marbling is it's almost like prime grade throughout all of them.
This is pretty awesome. Yeah. Let's run it.
Why do I love what I do? It's fun cutting steaks. It's fun seeing people look at the marbling in the steaks, and I love having people come back in and say, that was the best steak I've ever had in my life.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, you betcha.
I'll see you on Sunday, hopefully.
All right.
Thank you. Woo! We are in the back side of the the Pearson Lakes Art Center. This is where the solo show was yesterday. Now we are prepping for our Sunday food demo. We're just waiting to be let into the demo kitchen area. I am leaning against the grill. This grill is going to be the workhorse on Sunday while I talk my BS and present some stuff that we do at the restaurant at Kimski. So Bob's he's the main dude here. He's the reason why everything's happening here for us. Took a chance on us to come down here and present art and food. So we're gonna do our best to put our best foot forward and represent our cuisine, our kind of culture, and just, our Chicago vibes here with art and food. Ah!
I had the other door open over
Oh,
there.
no.
Yeah, that's okay.
I'm just an idiot. That's all.
No. Well, right now we're in the Pomerantz Hall with our brand new renovated teaching kitchen, and we're really excited to have Juan here to be teaching a class tomorrow. This kitchen was a dream a couple years ago, and at that time all we had was like an old church type kitchen here with a hole in the wall. And at that time we said, we need to bring in world-class chefs to this environment here, to Northwest Iowa. Of course, Okoboji, it's like a little bit of heaven here. And when we had the opportunity to bring somebody like Juan in, that we feel that's the start of our becoming the kind of kitchen we want this to be. And we're excited about Juan coming in as a world-class chef and wearing our Pearson Lakes Art Center apron. You know, it doesn't get any better than that, does it? So life is good, and to me, he exemplifies what we want to have happen here at the Art Center.
So it's like the Sportsman's Club in Chicago where they have taxidermy and a hunter's theme. We just finished a 20-minute workout on YouTube and we're gonna ruin our bodies with ghost pepper Bloody Marys. Just 2 drops. Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Have a good rest of the day.
You too.
Whenever I'm drinking in West Okoboji, I reach for the hills, the Bush Hills. Holy shit, look at this view of the lake here. This is Woody's Bay Bar. This is our 3rd bar that we're at in less than an hour, and this is the one with the view. This is one of those bars along the lake, right butt up against the lake, and it's a perfect day. This is a good life right here.
You know, it's going to be a fabulous day. You can tell the enthusiasm here, you know, partnering with different organizations, crafties with the meat. We have West O Beer here with the beverages. And so this is a day for the Pearson Lakes Art Center to shine. You bet. Good to see you. Thanks for being here.
We're about 20 minutes out from 5 o'clock. Now we're filling in all the things. I'm over here burning meat. Sorry, I'm just trying to get through the final moments of prep, and then at the same time feed some friends while I'm here. Some of the offerings, which are pork steak, the fire chicken, some sweet corn and scallion pancakes, some rice.
Hey, get a picture here for Juan, right here.
Got it.
Juan's definitely an overachiever. He's marrying up. I don't know what he did to deserve this.
Remember, I had to play this video.
He's just way too good here. She is way too good.
Thanks for validating me, Bob. I appreciate it.
Let's give a warm Okoboji welcome to Juan Kim.
Thank you for that thrilling intro, Bob. Now, when I give these recipes and kind of give a demo, I don't want you to think like that has to be exactly the way he did it in order for it to taste a certain way. And I'm doing that purposely because I want you guys to be able to taste things and be like, well, I don't like that pepper paste too much, so then use less. It's not a big deal. I'm not gonna get offended. If you love garlic, add a fuck ton of garlic, it's fine. You don't like garlic, don't add any at all. I don't care. I'm not gonna eat with you most likely. So you gotta make it taste good to you, okay? We're gonna make a bulgogi marinade, so that again translates to fire beef. It's one of the most popular things that Koreans have offered the culinary world. It is basically a sweet and savory marinade for any kind of proteins. It's great with mushrooms. It's there's several ways to do it, and I'll kind of demo that as well. Fire chicken, common street food, sweet and spicy again. We're doing it with pork and chicken thighs. And then we have, as an extra bonus, I got some Korean pancake mix and utilize some of your awesome sweet corn that city has to offer, and we make some pancakes as well. If you're on a first date, don't eat Korean. Korean food is definitely for like your second, third, or fourth year of dating. It is a very powerful food. It's very flavorful. It's very like striking. We don't deal with subtleties. I don't know if you can tell by our personality even. We're not very subtle people. All right.
Would you agree with me? We need to have him back. They want you back.
I want you to go to Chicago. That's what I want.
So thanks again for being here. There's still a lot of food here. He doesn't want to take it back, so make sure you get it. There's plenty of beer over here left. So enjoy. Thanks for coming, and be watching the website for more of these kind of programs.
Oh my God, is that you? Juan, is that you?
So I'm Brandon Van Noort. I'm the head brewer here at West Stowe Beer in Okoboji. Been here for almost 5 years now, head brewer for the past year and a half, and just love making beer every day.
We met today because you provided some pairings for the food demo over at Pearson Lakes Art Center.
Yeah.
Primarily the lager and the pilsner,
Yep.
correct?
Yep.
So, as an Okoboji resident and kind of a lifer, what does it mean to like open up here and
Yeah.
be in a successful place?
I think it's really awesome, I mean, especially growing up, small town Spirit Lake, just right down the road, and working in an awesome brewery like this. I mean, that's awesome. Okoboji, I mean, not much not to love about Okoboji. I mean, they got great restaurants. The lake obviously is beautiful. We just could take our boat out all summer long, so it's been super nice.
Oh, nice.
But yeah, I mean, just people here, you meet some different kind of people. It's great. I mean, walk into a bar and just meet someone new from somewhere different and kind of see what their life is like. And yeah, it's crazy.
Well, the food demo was great. Really appreciate you guys pairing the beers. I think it worked really well.
Yeah.
It was a perfect fucking match.
Yeah,
So
I
really
appreciate
you
coming
having
down. That
us.
was great.
Of course, it was awesome.
Yeah.
Check out check out Westo. Sorry. So if you're ever down in Okoboji, check out Westo Beer. Is it Westo Beer?
Westo Beer.
I think it's Westo Breer.
All right. Fucking drink some blueberry shandy, you fucking dick.
Cheers.